Hey friends, are you ready for a super fun guessing game? Let's play. Guess who lives here? We'll show you a home, and you have to guess which animal lives there. Let's go. This is a deep, dark tunnel underground. Who lives here? Mole, frog, bird. Good job. It's the mole. Moles are amazing diggers. They live underground and use their big paws to dig tunnels. Look, a nest high up in a tree. Who lives here? Bear, bird, or elephant? Awesome. It's the bird. Birds build cozy nests to lay eggs and raise their babies. Tweet tweet. Go ahead. A big cave in the mountains. Who lives here? Bear, owl, penguin. Perfect, it's the bear. Bears sleep in caves during winter. That's called hibernation. A swirly shell by the sea. Who lives here? Crab, snail, turtle. What do you think? You are very smart, it's the snail. Snails carry their homes on their backs. Cool, right? A tiny tunnel underground. Who's crawling in there? Spider, ant, or snake? It's the ants. Ants live in colonies with tunnels and chambers. Busy little bugs. So proud of you. Look, a little wooden co-op with a nest inside. Guess who lives here? Chicken, cat, or monkey? It's the chicken. Chickens live in coops and lay eggs. This is a big, cozy stable on a farm. Who lives here? Horse, lion, whale. What do you think? It's the horse. Horses live in stables. They love hay, fresh air, and running fast. Neigh. An empty tree with holes? Who lives inside? Owl, zebra, kangaroo. Guess, who? It's the owl. Owls sleep during the day and come out at night. A sticky, silky web in the corner. Who made this? Spider, worm, bird. What do you think? It's the spider. Spiders spin webs to catch food. Creepy but clever. A buzzing, golden hive hanging from a tree. Who lives here? Butterfly, bee, snake. Guess? It's the bee. Bees live in hives and make honey. A dry cave in the savannah. Who lives here? Giraffe, lion, or crocodile? Guess who, my hero? It's the lion. Lions live in dens or caves. It's called a lair or den. An ice cave in the snow. Who lives here? Polar bear, camel, or lion. It's the polar bear. They live in cold places and love the snow.
He did it! He really did it!
Wow, you did an amazing job, little explorer. How many did you guess right? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun with us. Bye bye.